Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a new topic, bash scripting. So what is bash and why every DevOps should learn it? Or if you are a DevOps engineer or you are trying to learn DevOps, why you should learn bash scripting? The goal of today's video is I will try to explain what is bash, what is its role and why it is useful. So what is bash? Bash, oftenly referred as born again shell, is a powerful command interpreter and programming language which is primarily used in Unix-like operating system like Linux and Mac OS. Bash acts as a command line interface allowing users to interact with the operating system by typing some commands. Bash is also used in enabling users to create scripts for automation and managing the system. So some real-world uses of bash scripts can be taken as running scripts, server management, and automation. So bash is one of the most widely used scripting languages in the Linux world. Whether you are managing servers, automating tasks, or writing deployment scripts, bash is essential. So if you are totally new to bash, so how to set up bash on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So I'll help you with this. So basically if you are using Linux or Mac OS, bash already comes with it. So if you can open your terminal and you can use it. So if you are using Windows, I would suggest you to install git bash. So by installing git bash, you can run bash commands on your Windows. So I recommend installing git bash. For Linux and Mac OS users, bash is already built in. So now we will try to understand the difference between a terminal, a bash, and command line. So basically terminal is an interface, shell is an interpreter, and bash is a one type of shell. So think of the terminal as the window, the shell is the brain, and bash as a specific personality of that brain. Command goes in, action comes out. So I will try to break down the difference more. So I will give a simple analogy. So imagine you are in a restaurant. The terminal may be referred as a waiter interface, takes your order and gives you output. The shell is like a kitchen staff. So command interpreter receives the order and makes the food. So coming to the bash. So what is bash now? Bash is a specific type of shell type. It is a type of shell. It has its own style of preparing meals, let's say interpreting commands. So to summarize these things quickly, the terminal is just a window or a program. The shell is the engine that runs inside the terminal, and bash is one type of shell often used in Linux scripting. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about key features of bash and some common uses of bash, and we will try to write our first bash script. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and don't forget to comment.